Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox, take a close-up look, and taste the Nestle Les Recettes d'Atelier Cranberries, Almonds and Hazelnuts Milk Chocolate Bar. So let's first take a look around the outside of the packet. So as you can see, this is a lovely box card packaging of the Nestle Milk Chocolate Bar that is filled with cranberries, almonds and hazelnuts. And just taking a look right around the box card packaging. And at the back or underside of the box card packaging, there is some product details of the milk chocolate bar and of course nutrition information as well and ingredients. And this is of course a 100-gram bar of chocolate. So now let's go ahead and open up the card box packaging by of course following the instructions that indicates open here. So let's press down on it and flip up the box lid right there and hear that nice clean snap opening of the box flap or lid. And let's slide out the chocolate bar that is wrapped up in aluminium foil, and we can set the box packaging down. And now lifting it up to take a closer look so you can see the thickness and overall size of the milk chocolate bar that's filled with cranberries, almonds and hazelnuts. So very recently I unboxed the the blueberries version with almonds and hazelnuts as well, but it was in a dark chocolate form instead of this milk chocolate version. And size wise, I'm just showing you the chocolate bar in the palm of my hand. So this is a 100-gram bar of chocolate. Now we can go ahead and of course open it up by tearing the tin foil open. So let's peel it right back to reveal the lovely brown coloring of the milk chocolate and giving you a nice close-up look to the texture and lumpiness of the underside of this luxurious looking milk chocolate bar. And you can see some of the nuts that are showing on the underside, as well as is that a piece of cranberry? I can't quite tell looking through the small LCD of my camcorder, but nonetheless we'll take a nice thorough look anyway. So I'm going to lift the chocolate bar from its aluminium foil. And now giving you a much closer and detailed look. Right there you can see the nice uneven texture of the underside of the Nestlé Les Recettes d'Atelier Cranberries, Almonds and Hazelnuts Milk Chocolate Bar. So you can see there are 7 sections to this milk chocolate bar. So it is designed for sharing, as they say on the card box packaging. And just giving you a look at the side profile as well. So you can see nice semicircular shape of each of the segments, and then giving you a close-up look at the chocolate bar that's filled with cranberries, almonds and hazelnuts. So you can see the almonds, hazelnut and cranberry. So nice and balanced sections to this beautiful chocolate bar. So right there, just showing you the size this time around without the foil. So 100 grams of yumminess and nutrition of this beautiful looking milk chocolate bar that's crammed full of nuts and cranberries. So almonds, hazelnuts, and cranberries. So they didn't skimp on the fillings at all of the cranberries, almonds, and hazelnuts, and you can see they are nice and whole pieces, not chopped pieces. Okay, so now let's go ahead and taste the chocolate bar by breaking off one of the segments right here, just like that. A nice clean break. I'm showing you the cross section of the chocolate bar. Okay, so I'm going to taste this part here. I'm going to give it a nice chomp right down. And if we can get the camcorder to autofocus right there. So very delicious tasting, very subtle in taste, no overpowering sweetness, and getting a nice mouthful of nuts in that half piece there that I've just chewed on. And now with this other half piece remaining, some bits of almond, or was that hazelnut, and a piece of cranberry as well. So nice and smooth in taste, and so balanced in texture as well. So that's a really, really lovely tasting piece of milk chocolate bar with a combination of cranberries, almonds, and hazelnuts. So full of nutrition right there, without being too sweet or dry. So nice tasting chocolate bar. The Nestle Les Recettes d'Atelier, cranberries, almonds, and hazelnuts. So this is, or was, a 100-gram bar. Of course, I've eaten one section off of the 7 segments right there. So that's the Nestle Les Recettes d'Atelier, cranberries, almonds, and hazelnuts milk chocolate bar. Thanks for watching and happy snacking!